There's a saying that goes that if you want to take people out of poverty, that you have to build roads. This saying comes from the Chinese side. Those benefits are plenty. And Namibia is still working on that in order for us to really harness the benefits that come with the Belt and Road Initiative from China. I would say that it's not only Namibia that's standing to benefit, but the global South especially, but even the developed world, they stand to benefit through this initiative that we have embraced. China is one of the most important trading partners for Namibia. China's level of industrialization is very, very much advanced, and Namibia can learn from that. China is a country that you can rely on in respect of trade, economic development, as well as consistency. So through China's initiative, we'll be able to connect better. We'll be able to move goods from one country to another country.